Now, SND exercise 6A, we are continuing sum number 37, class 12. Next, integral 1 minus 1 by x square e to the power x plus 1 by x dx. This is the question. What we will do? Put x plus 1 by x is equals to z. Dx of x is 1 and 1 by x means x to the power minus 1. So it will be minus x to the power minus 1 means what? What we will write? It will be minus x to the power minus 2. So it is minus x to the power minus 2 means 1 by x square. Understood? So it is coming 1 into 1 minus x square dx is equals to dz. As it is there, 1 minus 1 by x square dx, we will just put 1 minus 1 by x square dx. Instead, we will put only dz and e to the power x plus 1 by x equals to z. Therefore, I is equals to e to the power, so it is coming e to the power z dz. There is a very simple form, substitution form. This is again e to the power z plus c only, as e to the power x dx is only e to the power x, and z is equal to x plus, so it is coming e to the power x plus 1 by x plus c. Very simple sum. Next, sum number 40. Sum number 40. What is the question? Integral x square dx by a plus bx. Okay. Put a plus bx is equals to z. Then b dx is equal to dz. Okay, therefore dx obviously 1 by b dz. Therefore I is equal to, what we will write? Dx is equal to 1 by b, so it's better keep it here. And dz obviously we will write, and instead of x square, what we will write? Bx is equal to then z minus a, and x will be z minus a by b. So instead of x square, we will write z minus a whole square by b square, and a plus bx already there, that is with z. So write here z. B square taken out, it will be 1 by b cube integral z minus a whole square by z minus a whole square means z square minus 2za plus a square whole divided by z dz. Okay. Oh, 1 plus a plus bx whole square is there. Okay, so it will be z square. Okay, then what we will get? We will get 1 by b cube integral z square by z square. It is only 1, so integral dz we will get minus 2a z by z square 1 by z dz, and a square by z square, z square right was a to the power minus 2, z to the power minus 2 dz. Okay. So it is coming 1 by b cube, and integral z means z minus 2a, this is log z plus a square, z to the power minus 2 means minus 2 plus 1, so it is coming z to the power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. Okay. Then it is coming 1 by b cube, z means a plus bx minus 2a log z means a plus bx plus a plus minus make it minus, so it is coming minus a square by z, z to the power minus 1 is there, so z a square by a plus bx plus c. Okay. Next, sum number 43. What's the question? Integral dx by square root of 1 minus x square under root 1 minus x square. Okay, put x is equal to sine theta. It will be easier for us. Then x is equal to sine theta means dx is equal to ddx or sine x equals to cos x, so it will be cos theta d theta. Instead of dx we will put here cos theta d theta. Okay, and 1 minus x square means 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta means cos square theta. And square root of 1 minus x square means square root of 1 minus sine square theta, that is 1 in square root of cos square theta, that is again cos theta. Okay, now this and this will be cancelled. So 1 by cos square theta means sec square theta d theta. d dx of tan x, ddx of tan x equals to sec square theta. So integral sec square theta will be very simple. That is only tan theta plus. As ddx of tan x equals to sec square x, therefore integral sec square theta will be tan theta plus c. Tan theta means sin theta we know, that is x, and cos theta means what? Cos theta means 1 minus sine square theta equals to cos square theta we know. So 1 minus x square equals to cos square theta. So cos theta will be square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, and sine theta is x. So tan theta means sine theta by cos theta. So it's coming x by square root of 1 minus x square plus c. X by square root of 1 minus x square plus c. Sum number 43 also done. Now the last sum, that is sum number 46. This is the last sum for 4 marks questions. Now then all sums will be completed. Now we will practice, otherwise you cannot manage in your exam. Be very careful. 46. Integral cos to the power 5x by sin x dx. Put sin x is equal to t. Okay, therefore cos x dx is equals to dt. Okay, now what we will do here, since it is cos to the power 5, we need cos x dx. So just we will simply we will break this cos to the power 5 as cos to the power 4x into cos x dx. Then it will be simple for us. Integral cos x dx we can put as dt, and cos to the power 4x means we can write cos square x whole square by sin x, and here it is cos x dx. Okay, now cos sin x we have taken as t. The cos square x is there. Cos square x is 1 minus sin square x. So 1 minus sin square x means we directly write 1 minus t square whole square by sin x means t we have taken, and cos x dx is dt. Okay, now 1 minus t square we know whole square, so it is coming 1 minus 2t square plus t to the power 4 whole divided by t. Okay, and dt obviously there. Now just we will just split all these terms. So it's coming 1 by t dt minus 2 integral t square by t dt plus integral t to the power 4 by t dt. Okay, just expand this, then what we will get? Integral 1 by t dt means that gives us log t minus t square by t, this is only t dt. So it will be minus 2 integral t dt, so it is coming t square by 2 plus this is t to the power 4 by t, so it will be t cube t. T cube means only t to the power 4 by 4 plus c. All terms written, integral sign now removed. Now we will just put the value of t. We'll just put the value of t. What is t? T is equals to sin x. So log t minus 2t square by 2 plus t to the power 4 by 6 plus c. Put the value of sine. Okay, then we will get the answer. What is the answer then? Log sin x, as t is equal to sin x. So log sin x minus 2 will be cancelled, as t square is only there. So it will be minus sin square x and plus 1. But t to the power 4 means sin to the power 4x. By 4 plus. So this is the answer. Okay, now your chapter completed. All 2 marks questions already completed and 4 marks questions also completed. Now do all the sums, revise properly, then give the exam. Thank you very much.